Good morning, guys. We're watching, I don't even know what it's called in English. But yeah, I woke up a bit late. I started tidying up the place a bit, vacuuming. And now me and Jason, we're watching, I don't know what it's called, a movie with Cusco. His mom is working right now. So I'm just tidying the place up and taking care of him. This cat did not let me touch her for such a long time. I've known her for years, and she's never let me touch her until Mike passed away. Now she's just loving me. I'm not allowed to touch her tail, but anything else now I'm allowed to. And she's rubbing up against me. She's all happy. It's nice. Hi, Diva. I like you too. She was always so hesitant, but she slept next to me the other day, and now she's letting me pet her quite a bit more than I used to be allowed to. I guess she's comfortable with me now. Nice. This is the cat that met my bunny when we used to bring it over to Mike and Natcha when they had another apartment before Jason was born. That was me and my ex with the bunny. We were living outdoors at that time, but we came over to visit Mike and Natcha quite a bit. That's when they were still together. They've been kind of on and off since they were teenagers. Inside the ear. Yeah, it's nice. Now we're watching Aristocats. It's it was one of my sister's favorite movies growing up. But I never actually really watched it. I may have watched a few minutes here and there. Jason's happy. Let's see here. And I've also... Yeah, that's why everything's a bit of a mess out here. Because I've been cleaning up in the ceiling and on the walls and the toilet, the sink, basically everywhere. It's starting to look really nice out here. You just gotta clean up this stuff over here or tidy it up. Oh yeah, and I forgot this. I gotta clean that one up too. Yeah, I'm just doing a bunch of cleaning today. The place needs it. And I understand why Natcha isn't in a mindset to clean and do all kinds of responsibility stuff right now. So I'll pick up the slack. Jason's still watching Aristocats. I missed most of the movie, in fact, because I've just been cleaning up. Oh yeah, I hung up all his caps, most of which he got from his dad. Diva's checking out the clean bathroom. It's all in pretty nice order. I put these lights around the mirror, so it'll be nice and cozy in the evening. I gotta clean these toys up. I gotta find a container for them. But otherwise, I just sorted everything here to the best of my ability. And emptied the kitty litter and cleaned the floors and the walls and the ceiling. And now I'm gonna heat up some food for Jason. And what else? Yeah, I think I'm gonna make some for myself too. I told Jason it's important he drinks some water first before he gets any soda. He hasn't had water today, just juice and stuff. I'll reheat some McDonald's for him. We're watching Lady and the Vagabond now. I have not seen this since I was a single-digit age. I'm just showing them all the old-ass cartoons I grew up on because the slop they're watching nowadays, it has no greater lessons, no good values. It's just slop for the sake of money, you know? It's just optimized for retaining a kid's attention. It's kind of nefarious, really. But these older cartoons, you can feel that hundreds of people put their soul into this. Oh, let's see. I think Natcha's home now. Hi. Natcha just came home and brought home a ton of meat with her that she got. There was some kind of a sale there. So she brought home a ton of meat, so all of a sudden I had to clean the fridge to make space and organize the freezer. I'm great with this stuff, man. I got a Tetris mind. I used to play that Facebook Tetris in, what was it, like high school, college, something like that. And you always played against these Asian people who were fucking amazing, so I got pretty good at Tetris as a result, organizing. And now I'm just going over to buy some potatoes and some, what do you call that, root plants, like beets and stuff. Let's see what we get. I'm not exactly sure. Some beans maybe, some garlic and some lemon, and gonna make a delicious chicken in the oven tray, resting on top of the vegetables I'm gonna dice up. Well, let's see how big they are. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty delicious. Gonna spend the last money my cousin gave to me. And thank God for Gullit. He's really been a big help for me this past month. Really been looking out for me. I got internet on my phone because of him. I'm behind when it comes to videos. I was supposed to release a video, or was it today? Maybe I'm 2 videos behind. I don't actually know. Oh, it's good. But yeah, I gotta make some videos too. I've been focusing on spending time with Natcha and Jason. You know, fuck it. It's not like I got a ton of people waiting for these videos. But yeah, gonna go do some shopping, get back and watch some more cartoons. Man, it's really nice. I just love being homely. I kind of got a feeling that I'm born in the wrong gender, in the wrong body. It's not like I'm trans or anything, but I'm very much homely. I would be a great wife, man. I just love cleaning up and cooking all day, watching over children. To me, it's easy. I mean, I grew up taking care of my own 3 siblings, raising them, kind of like a father, like a son husband. Yeah, I'm just walking. It's important to walk when you have a personal electric vehicle, because if you just ride that thing everywhere, you're gonna atrophy. You're gonna get these chicken legs, and I'm not trying to do that. I want to stay strong. I'm just finishing my cigarette out here. It's funny the way they hung up this poster. It looks like she's got a halo on top of her head because of the plastic strip. And it's really the opposite as politicians, you know? Alright, here we go. Got what do you call that? Like parsnips and beets and carrot mix, potatoes, soda, milk, butter, nice sauce. It's a bit expensive, but it's nice. Some lemon and garlic. Check out this delicious feast I've made. First I took and cut all these into quarters, like little pieces, roughly the same size. We got beets, carrots, parsnips, potatoes. We got thyme and rosemary, salt and pepper, and I just messed it all around in some butter. You can see the butter everywhere. And then the chicken has been filled with lemon and cloves of garlic halved, like this one. And the chicken, I just covered it in butter, and then I applied some salt and pepper to it. I think I'm gonna put some rosemary and thyme on there as well. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Oven is preheated, and you just throw it in there. It's a simple meal. Like anytime you make anything with that full chicken, just cut up some veggies, put the chicken on top. You don't really have to do much else. The spices and the butter and all that is just extra. The fat from the chicken is gonna render out and infuse into the vegetables. It's gonna be delicious. And I even got a little bit of lemon left for soda. Alright, I just did a preliminary cleaning of the oven. It's not exactly perfect. I'm gonna make it perfect tomorrow. Just got the worst of it out of there and properly cleaned up this tray. I'm not gonna do it one-handed. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Just put it in. These are the settings.
Ja.
Du klipper det op.
Ja, vi klipper den hele vejen fra numsen af.
Ja.
Hele vejen op til halsen.
Ja.
Der er bare ikke så meget plads.
Nej.
Kan du se, der ligger citroner og hvidløg inde i?
Ja.
Der er også salt og peber inde i.
Ja. Har du proppet patron i?
Ja, jeg har. Det smager lækkert.
Okay.
Okay, ja.
Seriøst.
Seriøst, yep. Helt seriøst.
Hey. Min telefon.
Ja, pas på.
Den går ikke i stykker.
Den er godt lavet.
Ja, den er... Den her klap er lavet af gummi.
Mm.
Og det er derfor, den går ikke i stykker.